Have you ever wondered what really happens when you open a website? You type a name, press enter, and in just seconds the page appears. But behind that simple action, a lot of things happen very fast. In this video, we will explain how the internet works in a very simple way. The internet is a huge network that connects millions of computers all around the world. You can think of it like a giant web where devices talk to each other. Your phone, laptop, tablet, and even smart TV can all connect to this network. The first step starts with your device. When you connect to Wi-Fi, your phone or computer sends data to your router. The router is the device that connects your home to the internet. But the router alone is not the internet. It connects to your internet service provider, also called ISP. This is the company that gives you internet access. For example, when you open a website, your request first goes from your device to your router, and then to your ISP. Now let's say you type a website name like google.com. Computers do not actually understand names like humans do. They understand numbers called IP addresses. An IP address is like the home address of a website. So before opening the website, the internet needs to find the correct IP address. To find that address, the internet uses something called DNS. DNS stands for Domain Name System. You can think of it like the phone book of the internet. It takes the website name you typed and finds the matching IP address. After the IP address is found, your request travels through the internet to the website's server. A server is a powerful computer that stores the website's files, images, and data. So if you open a website, your device is basically asking the server, "Please send me this web page." The server receives your request and sends the website data back to your device. This data travels in small pieces called packets. Each packet moves through the internet and reaches your computer. Then your browser puts everything together and shows you the final web page. All of this happens in just a few seconds, sometimes even less than 1 second. That is why the internet feels instant. But in reality, your request is traveling through routers, cables, data centers, and servers very quickly. So let's quickly recap. First, you type a website name. Second, your device sends the request to the router. Third, the router sends it to your internet provider. Fourth, DNS finds the website's IP address. Fifth, the request reaches the server. Finally, the server sends the website data back to your browser. And that is how the internet works. Now you know what really happens when you open a website. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byteboard. And tell us in the comments which topic you want next: Wi-Fi, CPU, RAM, or how hackers hack accounts.